Good morning students. Today we will take second part of Expert Detective. I wrote in large block letters catching a group expert detectives Nisad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. And now because his school was closed because of the flood, they are unable to go to school. They utilize this time to become a detective. As you can see in the picture, Nisad is on the bed and Maya is sitting there. Then I begin writing. About half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his stomach, chin cupped, as you can see in the picture, in his arms, reading comics. At that time, he was reading. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. Maya said, if you want to know what I have written. He looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath which might help to trap him. I said, want to hear. Seven nodded, bent his head slightly. Fact number 1. I read his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. First of all, we must discover his first name. What was his name? Do you think that is his real name, Maya? Nisad asked, is this his real name? Probably not. I said, most crooks have an alias an alternate name. I added a big question mark after now. And after that, he said it may be that his name is something else. Fact number 2. I read on. The tenant at Sankar House say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. The tenant at Sankar House said, a tenant of Sankar House said that he is mad, strange. He means who? Mr. Nath is mad, strange and unfriendly. He doesn't talk to anyone and he is mannerless. But he did talk to us. Maya and Mama says he is very polite. Nisad interrupted, disturbed. Nisad said, but we cannot say that it is true because he talked to us and our mama also, and he is very polite. He only talked to us because he had to. Now he said that he only talked to us because he had to. I said, and since he was under mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite because he is under my mama's treatment, so he had to be polite. Fact number 4. He does not receive any letters. Letters come, but he never received any letters. Seven noted. Yes. Number 5. He has been living in room number 10 of Sankar House for more than a year. He lived there more than a year. Number 6. He does not work and sits in his room all day. Now he doesn't work, ना तो work करता है and sits in his room all day. Number 7. The kids in Sankar House and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Kids, children, or sometimes grown-up people also afraid of him. Number 8. He has no visitor except for a spectacled fair fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch, and he has no visitor. Only there is one visitor who wears spectacle, fair, and he is a fatty person who visits him on every Sunday at lunchtime. Number 9. Food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. Nisad said, obviously, clearly, not being paying too much attention to my list of. निशाद तो उसकी बात पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था. All he could say was, poor man, Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friend. He is so lonely that he had no friends. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him. Nisad said, at least he has one friend, that is, कौन है? The visitor who comes on Sunday. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then, that man must be Mr. Nath, accomplished in crime. I said maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner Mr. Nath for expenses. That is it, I am sure I am right. And now he said that it may be that that person was the accomplice, a helper in his crime. So he comes there to keep all the loot, all the robbery and all the wealth which he looted, and then to give part it to his partner Mr. Nath for expenses. That is it, I am sure I am right. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. यदि तुम क्या करोगे? If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you. यदि तुम उसे continuous criminal कहोगे, then I will not discuss. Said Nisad angrily. He cannot be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. Because he gives tips to Ramesh, so he may not be a bad man. Ramesh probably knows something about his past. It may be that he was giving his bribe. Nishad looked angrily at me with his arms tightly closed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. How can we make any progress with our investigation if you take that attitude? Now Maya said they could not take any investigation if your attitude is like this. I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escape group, said Seven. You really make me angry. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiry if he is not a crook? If you think he is a nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. Nishad looked thoughtful. I would like to find out why. I will try to investigate about him, why he is so thin or why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Try to understand, Seven. I told him if he had lived in Sankar house and hasn't made a scene, he lived there and he did not make any friend. He is obviously scared that someone will afraid that it may be anybody would recognize him and report to the police, and police will catch him. Maybe no one tried to make friends with him. ये भी हो सकता है कि कोई उसे फ्रेंड ना बनाना चाहे. Nishad protested. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear is. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. Now Nishad said that I will go and will make him my friend. Friends with a crook? You are crazy. Are you mad? I said the cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that happen to you, idiot? Now Maya said, if you will go there, it may be that that the police would catch you. Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the. My theory seemed to have made no impression on him at all. So students, I think you are able to understand this story. Thank you, students.